Hello, Didier. How are you? I'm fine, but I hope you're doing fine as well. I'm Miss Valentina. Welcome to your English class. Today, we're going to learn something new. We're going to learn how we can name this. We are going to learn what is the name of this. We're going to learn what is the name of this. Okay, so you have to pay attention. Okay, we're going to start. There you go. Look at all those school supplies. These are all things that we go to school with. Okay, let's see. Over there, we have some books. Let's see. Let's look. Here, I have my school bag. This is my school bag. And inside my school bag, I have a book. Look at the book. A book. And I also have my notebook or my copybook. My notebook or my copybook. Then we have, look at this. This is a pencil case. A pencil case. What do we have inside our pencil case? Let's open it. We're going to open our pencil case. Wow, so many things. Let's see. Here we have a pair of scissors. Pair of scissors. And then we have, let me see. Let's have a look at this. A pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener. Wow, a green pencil sharpener. And last but not least, look, we have a ruler. Ruler. You have to repeat, okay? Ruler. Ruler. Okay, let's repeat all of them again. We have book. Book, well done. We have pencil case. Okay, we have school bag. Now you. Excellent. And we have notebook. Well done. Scissors. And we have pencil sharpener. And we have a ruler. Or ruler. Okay, but there's so much more. We're going to learn them now, okay? We're going to see this video and we're going to learn all the other school supplies.
English Sing.
What's in your backpack? It's my book. See? Book.
It's my notebook. I can write on it. Notebook. Notebook. These are my scissors. I can write with paper. Scissors. Scissors. It's my glue.
Glue.
Stick them with it. Glue. It's my tape.
Tape.
I can put
Look.
them with it. Tape. Is this your pencil case?
Pencil case.
Yes, it is. Pencil case. Pencil case. What's in your pencil case?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see.
These are my pencils and pens. I like to write. Pencil. Pencil. Pen.
highlighter.
Mark with it. Highlighter. It is my ruler.
Ruler.
I like to measure. Ruler. These are my color pencils.
Color pencils.
Draw a rainbow. Color pencil. Color pencil. There are things for school in my backpack.
Okay, now you have to repeat, okay? Repetir. Book.
Book.
Notebook. Scissors. Glue. Tape. Pencil case. Pencil. Pen. Eraser. Highlighter. Ruler. Color pencil. Okay, excellent, Didier. Okay, let's continue. Now you have to work on your handout. Let's see what do we have in your handout. This is your handout. You have to write your name here and the date, okay? And then we have to write here the school supplies, okay? Let's see, this one. Do you remember? What is the name of this one? Is it pencil? Yes, it is pencil. We're going to write it then. Oops. Pencil. And you have to complete all of them. Okay? And you have to complete all the school supplies. And then we're going to fill in with the missing vowel, okay? These are the vowels that are missing. You can't see them, so you will have to write again, okay? You will have to write the correct vowel. So it's pant. E was missing. That vowel was missing. E. There you go. And then you have to complete all of this, and then you have to take a picture and you have to upload it to the Google Classroom, and that is everything. That is everything, Didier. Okay, let's see. Okay, and that is all for today. That is all for today. If you have any doubts or any question, you can send the question to my email or you can write it in your Google Classroom, okay? Si tiene alguna duda o alguna pregunta, me manda un correo over there o me puede escribir en Google Classroom. Okay? See you, kisses. Bye bye.